Hello, I'm Aris from Iconic Fab. Today I will make you a quick demo how to put together the rig project, which is published on Printables. So this is essentially the whole project with all the electronics you can possibly add to this rig. The electronical parts are not essential for the project, and they will not be included into STAP file. So I will switch them off, and this is the whole project without the electronical parts. Let's start with the printed parts. So printed parts are essentially only few. Those are marked. So there are two legs, two inserts, which are just for more or less cosmetic reasons. And also there is inlet housing, and I added this for the safety reasons. And how you start building up your project. Okay, you start with this part, which is right leg. Essentially, you adding rails to that. This makes your main construction. Left leg. Both legs are a little bit different, actually, because left leg comes with the opening for the electronics inlet, which goes in here, but you will add it later. Okay. When you put these parts together, next step for you is to add inserts. And again, I will switch everything off, and you have a couple of them, 20 in total for the project. However, not all of them are essential, a couple of them are optional. Let's add legs and rails back. When you have this construction ready, just start putting inserts in. So why order is important? Because let's say there's not so much space actually in between rails and the printed parts. So I intentionally made those openings pretty big because they're significantly deep, I can say, and essentially you can get into trouble when trying to insert them. But current opening is 7.5 millimeters, so it should be more or less enough for using either a standard soldering iron or something which is specifically made for those inserts. So you just, let's say, start with the those inserts, 1, 2, 3 as an example, 4, and next add inserts for the second leg. Let's continue with the build. Again, a couple of another inserts you will need. Those are two here, so they are for securing the inlet housing, and when you will finish it will go there. Inlet housing itself has pretty deep openings, but again, both sizes are the same. I will add the information regarding that later, and it's also presented in a BOM. Okay, next step and next inserts are here to the but again, those are not essential. Those are completely optional, and it's up to you, either you adding them or you're not, depending on what your needs. What's next? As your all inserts are in at this point, so you need to add bolts. My suggestion is that you start with the legs, fixing the whole construction together. What regards the bolt sizes, so the whole project uses M3 by 8s, and with one exception. So one exception is here at the bottom. Actually, those are M3 by 6s. Let's say all your bolts are in, and now you can add handle inserts. They should fix securely. And the last step, actually, you adding your C14 inlet. It should just drop in with no additional securing. So there are specific openings to fix it in a way that C14 inlet is designed. And at this step, actually, I suggest that you are adding all wiring. And when all wiring is done, you're just adding security housing. And I believe that actually you will have something else here, like as an example, Wago connectors or whatever, just to easier attaching your PSU or whatever main power unit you will use for your rig. And that's more or less it, I can say. If you reach so far, then your project is ready. To finish up a quick demo of my rig, and I wish you luck and have fun with your build. And if you like the stuff I'm designing, consider following the channel and like the project on Printables. Bye for now.